Hello everyone, greetings. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to talk about how to build your confidence. Now, if you search this particular thing, that how to build confidence, you're going to get a number of points, be it on social media or be it on a particular book. But today I'm going to tell you something which I think is a bit different from what you have already known, and also this is something you can all relate to. Why do we get underconfident? Do you know that? It is because we have the knowledge of what is right and what is wrong. This is a conclusion that I have come to after observing few people who confidently speak wrong English, and on the other side, few people who actually are good in English but they fumble because of lack of confidence. The difference occurs in a very simple manner. A person who already knows about grammar, who knows about mistakes and can point out his or her own mistake will be more conscious while speaking in English. As a result, will not be very confident while speaking. On the other side, the person who does not even understand whether he or she is speaking correctly or not will be more confident in giving out his or her performances. So what am I suggesting? Am I suggesting you to not know stuffs like that? No, not at all. The thing is, it is all hidden in the idea of being conscious. Being conscious is good at some part and also can be devastating on the other part. While you're giving an answer in the interview, you are in two minds. One mind is giving the answer and the other mind is constantly thinking that it could have been a better answer. I could have answered in that way to impress my interviewer. When you're in this double mind game, when you're thinking something else and also you're trying to perform at the same time, it becomes difficult for you to give your best shot. You become underconfident. So the best way is, be it about speaking in English at a place or it is about giving an performance, whether it's in an interview or in a day-to-day life like a presentation or something, I would always want you to think what you say and not think something else, or do not think ahead that what might be the next question, what could have been a better choice of answer than what I am already giving. If you work on that field, then definitely you will be more confident and you will sound better in your interviews or presentation or while speaking in English. Thank you.